Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX bringing you the morning comment for the 1st of August. FOMC interest rate decision. Late in the American session, 1800 GMT, the FOMC is expected to announce its interest rate decision. The bank is widely expected to remain on hold, and currently Fed's funds futures imply a probability of 96.37% for that scenario. As the bank is expected to remain on hold, market focus may shift to the accompanying statement, which may contain comments about high inflation rate, the strong GDP growth rate, and the low unemployment level. A number of analysts seek a clear message for the possible 2 future rate hikes in 2018, especially after recent comments made by US President Trump. A neutral to hawkish tone in the accompanying statement could support USD, while a neutral to dovish tone may weaken it. Euro-USD continued its sideways movement yesterday, testing the 117.45 resistance line and corrected lower later on. The pair could experience some bearish tendencies today should the FOMC meeting favor the USD side. Should the bulls take over the market, we could see the pair breaking the 117.45 resistance line. On the other hand, should the bears take over, we could see the pair breaking the 116.4 support line and aim for the 115.80 support barrier. US considers higher tariffs for Chinese products. The US administration seems to be considering to increase planned tariffs from 10% to 25% for 200 billion worth of Chinese imports. The move adds further pressure to China, as it would face increased tariffs on about half of its exports in the US. While China has not responded initially, reports state that representatives of US and China have been speaking privately to restart negotiations. Analysts currently consider the move another negotiating tactic on behalf of the US. Should there be further escalation of the US-Sino trade dispute, we could see the USD strengthening in the short term, while commodity currencies may be hit. USD JPY rose yesterday, breaking the 111.30 resistance line, now turned support, aiming for the 112.05 resistance line. In regards to yesterday's analysis, the pair has broken the 111.30 resistance line, and we lift our sideways bias in favor of a more bullish outlook. Hence, we could see the pair trading in a more bullish market today if the FOMC meeting favors the USD side. Please note that the RSI indicator has almost reached the reading of 70, implying a bullish momentum, however, with room for further advancements available. Should the pair find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 112.05 resistance line, while aiming, if not breaking, the 112.50 resistance barrier. Should it come under selling interest, we could see the pair dropping and breaking the 111.30 support line. In today's other economic highlights in the European session, we get UK's nationwide HPI rate, as well as the market CIPS manufacturing PMI figure, both for July. While from the Eurozone, we get the final release of the market manufacturing PMI for July. In the American session, we get from the US the ADP national employment figure and the ISM manufacturing PMI, both for July. While later on, the EIA weekly crude oil inventories figure is to be released. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. You can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.